In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace domain to Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Framer to manage domains, what your options are, and how to prepare your Squarespace domain for connection without exposing any sensitive information. Start by opening Framer and loading the project you want to publish. If you're not already in the right project, use the drop-down at the top left of the editor where you typically see Canvas to switch projects or access the project menu. From there, head into Settings so we can configure publishing. Inside Settings, open the Domain section. This is your command center for everything related to where your site lives on the web. Look for the Custom area. That's where Framer presents your choices, including quick publishing to a Framer subdomain, claiming an eligible custom domain through Framer, or connecting a domain you already own. If you want something immediate while you set up your custom domain, grab a free Framer subdomain. It's perfect for staging or sharing previews without touching DNS. If your goal is to use your Squarespace domain, open a new tab, sign in to Squarespace, and go to the Domains panel to locate the exact domain you plan to use. Keep that tab open so it's ready when Framer shows you what's needed. Back in Framer, you may also see an option to claim a free custom domain, depending on your plan and availability. This can be a good branding step if you prefer not to manage an external registrar. To use your Squarespace domain, choose Connect an existing domain. Note that this requires an upgraded Framer plan. After you select it, Framer will display the connection details you'll reference from your Squarespace domain settings. Follow the on-screen guidance precisely, and remember that changes on the internet can take a little time to propagate. While DNS updates settle, keep your Framer subdomain active so your site is still reachable. When the connection turns green in Framer and your Squarespace domain loads your Framer site, you're all set. That's the process, clean and simple.